Here I've got Motorola One Vision, and let me show you how to change a ringtone on the following device. So at first you have to open the settings, then find and select sound, it's right here, and then go to the advanced. Now you'll have to locate the ringtone, it's right here, it's for both SIM cards, pick whichever SIM card you would like to change the ringtone to, and now let's go with all the ringtones that you can apply in your Motorola One Vision. Okay, so I think we have to switch off the silent mode to do it, and just let me start with attentive again. And then just pick the one that you like the most, for example bird loop, tap on OK, and that's it, you've just changed ringtone in your phone. Thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.